They are all DBS checked, they're all qualified and trained. We are very delighted to let you know that we have started online tuitions. You will get one free session if you decide to sign up to our online tuition by 15th of September. Hi everyone, we have been providing tuition services in person across London for the last 16 years. Now we have student population who comes to our centre across East London, based in Stratford, Whitechapel, Docklands and East Ham. We receive around thousands of students every year who come to us to receive in-person tuition. Now, amongst those students, we also have a few of those who come from very far away, and in fact, some of them from outside of London. Apart from that, we also receive a lot of queries through our email, social media, and website regarding whether we provide online services or whether they can join to our tuition in any way. Now, while it's not possible for us to physically expand to outside of London, we are very delighted to let you know that we have started online tuitions. So our online tuition, it's same quality and it works in the same way as it works in person. We can assure you we will be providing you the same tutors who teaches our students across our centers in person. They are all DBS checked, they're all qualified and trained in terms of how to conduct the lesson. And another thing that we can assure you about is the lessons are quality checked in the exact same way. So we follow the exact same standards that ranges from our individual learning plans, our test, our pre-made resources, and you all also have a dedicated team who is ready to provide you the support that you need to thrive when you're taking online lessons. And the most beneficial thing to you that will happen is you will get a consistent teacher who will be teaching you in every session, and they will be teaching you at a time that is convenient for you and that works best around your schedule. Online tuition price, one-to-one lessons, they are starting from £20 an hour. So if you're below GCSE or ranging from year 3 up until year 11, it's only going to cost £10 an hour for a wide range of subjects, which includes maths, further maths, English language and literature, sciences, computer science, economics, or any other subject that you need help with. Our expert team, they are regularly vetted and they are regularly trained in terms of keeping up with the changes in national curriculum as well as the changes happen in the education industry. If you want to learn more about our online tuition services, drop a comment below or drop us an email or text message, and one of our friendly team members will get back to you with your inquiry. I'm also delighted to let you know that you will get one free session if you decide to sign up to our online tuition by 15th of September. And that one session will be free of charge so that you can get the Excel flavor and you can get what Excel is like and what our tutors can help you improve and how our tutors can have a positive impact in your educational life. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you soon.
Excel Tutors. Give your child a brighter future.